Hello again. This is the second video, and I am showing some of the 3D images of what's in these details specifically. And so in the first video I talked about the curtain wall and why it's called a curtain wall and what's going on with all these detailed lines that you see here. Here's what you would see from the outside. It's just this wall of glass. Oops. That's not quite what I wanted. I think I'll leave it. Anyway, there it is. And you can see the metal that holds the glass in place. And it does keep the heat in and the cool out, or the cool in and heat out, depending on the time of the year. But it also allows this to warm up and expand, cool down, and shrink without breaking or unsealing the glass. The other thing that I wanted to talk about was the panel, which I thought was, I almost didn't know what was going on here, because the soffit panels, or the ceiling panels, look really thick and disproportionate, so I wondered if something was hanging down here, but that's the actual panel. And you can see how that all comes together right here. It hangs down from the ceiling or the floor joist and is braced by the metal brackets and framing system for the ceiling. And here's what you would see from underneath. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see in this other, I was going to mention how this is just insulated, so you can't really see through the glass, but it looks like it kind of extends the glass all the way up. And so some of these buildings are, the floor is right here, and you can't really see the floor anyway, which adds to the aesthetic appeal. And that's it.